Let's go for a ride. Let's see how fast this bad boy can go. Maybe. We gotta test it down here, right? Test mode. Start to get a little bit shaky. So we can go back to the E mode. As you can see, when I brake, I get a red light because it's like it's in over voltage. But just because the cells are not balanced, that's it. Otherwise, it would be green all the time. Kind of strange. Usually at full throttle, the gouge goes all the way down to E. And it's not now. I don't know. It's strange. Good sign, but it's strange. You see now, it's kind of discharged, and if I put all the way down, the pedal turns red. The batteries can't cope with can't give enough juice.
Thank you for watching.
Okay, I think.
If you like it or you want some more, subscribe, click on the notification bell and leave an upbuilding comment.